How to fix Instagram comments not showing or not loading easily and fast. Hello guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the comments problem on Instagram app. So first thing you have to do is open the settings, scroll, go to the apps manager, go to the apps, and then right here it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram app. Okay, we're still waiting. I don't know why. I think there's a problem. Scroll. When you find Instagram, click on it. Click on the power usage details. Go to the power consumption alert, disable it and enable it again. Click on the app launch. Make sure that this option is enabled. Now go back, click on force stop right here. Go to the storage and click on clear data. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe.